What's up, folks? What's going on, ladies and gents? I'm here this Sunday chilling, watching Instagram. Woo! Yeah, watching Instagram. Hey, and I just noticed something, and I've been following this group for a while. My girlfriend sent me their link because she was like, "Hey, I think you're gonna like these guys. They're pretty cool. What they're doing is awesome." And she was just telling me, and when we go there, we have to go visit them, right? But I didn't know what it was until I followed them. And guys, I did not. I'm my parents are from Dominican Republic, right? My girlfriend, she's Dominican. I was born and raised in New York. I'm from Brooklyn, but I've only visited the country twice. You could say twice, and that was years ago. I mean, I was like maybe 6 years old. But I did not know. I do not know anything about the country. You ask me anything about the country, I don't know shit. All right. What I did not expect was to find out that in Dominican Republic, they go hardcore on road cars. They go hardcore on especially 5th, 1/8, and 1/10 petrol vehicles, nitro and gas. These guys go hardcore. You ain't gonna see no electrics in here. You'll see, like I'm following, you'll see one electric, but they normally put it against a nitro, and a lot of times the nitro just fucking leaves it in the dust. Just leaves it in the dust. We're talking about electric cars. They're equipped with high-end electric stuff, but the nitro, when it comes to GT, nitro cars are just better control, better everything. I see some racing, and you could tell that the electric on road cars, the controls are not that great. But then the nitro cars are just going on they're just taking those curves so perfect, so just it's just on rails. You can see it's on rails compared to the electric cars, right? And it just sounds better. That second gear when it kicks in, and then all you hear is on the electric. All you hear is, zzz. I mean, it's just dead. I mean, these guys are more nitro and petrol, right? They're more that. I'm following these guys. They're called Car CRD, right? All right, and check this out, yo. These guys, like I said, they go hardcore. These guys are going hardcore. They have a track. My girlfriend knows exactly where they're at. She knows where they're at. So we're gonna visit. So this is 5th scale racing. That's 5th scale racing, guys. Not that fast, because, guys, let's be honest, 5th scale ain't that fast. You could equip these things up to the wazoo, and they're not going to be that fast, right? They're really not going to be that fast. Check this out. Let me show you guys what they're running. These guys are running hardcore stuff. I mean, hardcore stuff. These guys are running hardcore stuff, man. Check this out. Hold on, let me show you guys. When it comes to 5th scales, these guys are not joking around when it comes to 5th scale. They're not joking around. Check that out. They're not joking around. These guys are serious about their 5th scale and their 1/8 scale stuff. Check this out. Let me see if I find them again. Let me see. This is what? That's 5th scale. Let me see. Like I said, they're doing championships. What's this? I'm not going to put too much on it. I just want to show you guys something here. Hold on. These guys are running. These guys are serious. It's not like they're running, crappy little. These guys are running high-end stuff. Check this out. Look at that. 5th scale stuff. These guys are not playing around, man, over there in DR. They're not playing around. They're for real. But I do notice they do like to run their fifth scales. Guys, I'm telling you guys, I want to go to this track. I want to run my car here. At least the DM1, the Offner DM1, I would love to bring it here. I know my Offner DM1 could run this track. I know it could. I know it could. I have it as light as I can. A lot of the parts are carbon fiber on my DM1. So the chassis is carbon fiber. So I know I could get good speed. I know I could. Check out this fifth scale. These are older folks, people. These are older folks. They're serious about their shit. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at that. I don't know what brand is this, but damn, that looks sweet. He has it. That's hooked up, man. I ain't joking around. These guys are not joking around. They're for real, man. 1A scale GT. Look at this. These guys are not joking around, folks. That's what I'm saying. They're prepping the track. These guys are not. Yo, look how it looks. Oh, that's how it looks from the top view. Not bad. That's a nice track. That's a sweet track, yo. This is a sweet track, yo. I'm telling you. Let's bring in some HPIs, some Serpents, some Mugans. Get some Capricorn in that track. Because I'm sure this got to be a Serpent. I'm sure there's got to be like some. But I did not know that Dominican Republic rode like this, man. I did not know that. I did not know they had rode like this. I started following these people here, this page. I did not know they rode like this. Now I'm super hyped to go to DR. My plan is to take my at least one of my 110 scale, at least one Serpent, and if I could, my Offner DM1. The Offner DM1, my 1/8 scale Offner DM1. You guys have seen my Offner DM1, right? You have not seen me running it, but you have seen it. And I'm very proud of my Offner DM1. For whoever have not seen it, man, haven't gone back to my previous videos, my Offner DM1 is this guy right. That is my Offner DM1. Let me show you guys. I have the Corvette body on it. It's going to be perfect for aerodynamics, right? Here it is. This is my Offner DM1. Running the OS 0.25 XZ. Like I said, I've upgraded this thing up to the ass with a JP3 jamming JP3 pipe on it, which this is old technology, guys. This is old technology, and I've been thinking of upgrading to a Reds 0.21, Reds 0.21. But I want to see what this guy does on a racetrack. Carbon fiber shock towers, carbon fiber tops, chassis top for the servos, carbon fiber top for the brake linkages, carbon fiber shock tower here, and carbon fiber chassis. This guy, I'm telling you guys, this guy is a I have to change the filter, get a racing filter for this thing. I put this in here for temporarily just to get it to run. It's getting hard to find the filters for this for bigger engines. You can find them for the 110 scale, like 0.12s and 0.15s, but when it comes to bigger engines, I'm having issues trying to find that. I might have to, and if I do find them, they're super expensive. But for now, this is not racing. This is just, I'm just using it here and there. But check this out. Carbon fiber linkages right here. Carbon fiber linkages. I'm telling you, I went hardcore on this thing. Guys. I did. Oh. And like I said, she's a little bit heavy, but you guys gotta think about this. She's a little bit heavy. I've taken away a lot of weight off of it, right? I've taken a lot of weight off of it. Oh yeah, and then I had a little leakage. I cannot find a tank, but I'm looking for a tank that I could use because I cannot find this tank anymore. Nowhere to be found. So this was leaking here, so I used a what you call this, a epoxy, and it worked. This was years ago, guys, when I really, let's be honest. See, oil is spilling out. You might as well get it to spill out all the way in there. Come on. See that nitro fuel that I'm running on my cars, dude? I ain't playing around. Look at that oil. Look at that gooey, beautiful oil. That's what I run. Right here, guys. Right here. That's what I'm running. All right. But yeah, check this out. I got these tires on it. They're worn out. A little bit old. I'm thinking maybe getting new tires for it. But if I do go to DR, this is what I'm taking. This is what I'm taking, guys. I'm taking this. This is what I'm taking. All right. I'm taking this. We're going to take it around the track. And I'm taking that guy right there. I'm taking that guy and that guy. So I'm taking 3 of them when I go to DR. And I'm hoping, just in case they give me problems at the airport. Let's just say they tell me no. My girlfriend's brother is gonna be there, so if he has to take it back, then he'll take it back. But I'm gonna give it a try. I don't think they're gonna give me an issue if I'm telling that I'm going to a track over there, and that's why they're coming with me. You know what I mean? I don't think they're gonna give. But if they do give me issues, then at least I have her brother over there to bring him back and leave. He'll stay with him till I get back, right? So that's the plan, guys. I'm gonna run. I do want to run. If I have to freaking buy an RC car out there, then I'll buy one just to run in on track. If I have to, and then I'll leave it over her family's house and just have. Whenever I go there, I'll have a RC car over there. But yeah, guys, this is my Offland DM1. Whoever have not seen it, this is it right here. I have it lifted a little bit high. Normally, it is super low to the ground, but I was running it up front. Like I say, guys, when I run my cars, I like to focus on them. Now, I'm not going to record this thing running if it's not running correctly. It's just, I noticed it's a waste of time to do that. I was running this thing last month. For some reason with these OS, when they get old, the high-speed needles start falling apart. So I was having problems tuning it. The high-speed needle kept on coming out, but now it's properly. What I did was I put a new rubber seal in it. I put a new rubber seal in it, so now I have still a little bit, still a little bit too soft, but it's not moving like it was. Back then, earlier it was shaking, in nitro engine shake, and it started coming out. But now it's a little bit better now. Now it's a little bit, not too soft. So that's the thing about, I noticed on my OS engines. Also, this one is doing it too. My OS on my LST, the high speed needle, super loose. So it's like it's moving. So when you're using your car, the vibration of the engine moves your high speed needle, and it only does high speed needle. The low speed needle, it does, because I guess it's the one you're using the most. It wears out. So, but I noticed that on my OS engines. For some reason, the OS engines are doing that. After years of being used, right? Man, guys, I can't wait to run this. I'm taking this with me, guys. I will be, if this works, my plan to go to DR and run on this track. You will be seeing it. I will be posting on YouTube, and I will be posting it on Facebook. So I will be doing this. I will be running these cars. If I have to buy one over there, then I'll buy one over there. Screw it. I might even buy a 5th scale GT chassis out there and do it over there. Because believe it or not, guys, over there they're probably expensive for whoever lives over there. But if you come from here over there, they're not that expensive, right? Because you're bringing in the dollar. So the dollar value over there is a little bit more higher than here, right? So the dollar value over there is higher than here, from my understanding, from what I've been told. So $100 over there is higher, or $100 here is shit here, but over there, since they got pesos, is a little bit higher. So if I have to take a little extra cash just to buy an RC over there, then yeah, I'll do it. And but hopefully I could bring this with me, and they'll let me bring it to me. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna have a bag for it, and if I have to pay, they tell me, oh, you can't carry it on the plane with you. Then guess what? I'll pay it to get it shipped over there. I'll pay to have it, I guess on the cargo area. I'll pay it to put it in the cargo, but I'm gonna try to bring them 3 with me, and so yeah. Thought you guys wanted to see, yeah, like I'm surprised that down there, freaking GT, on GT racing is that big. I really didn't think that like I said, guys, my nationality. I'm Dominican. My parents are Dominican. My girlfriend's Dominican. But I did not think that they went all out like that over there. To me, I thought that was here, the U.S. or like in France and Italy. I think that Italy also, and those countries down there, but not in the Caribbean islands. That's crazy. All right, take it easy. Peace out.